Hi level 2 students, how are you all doing? Today from the unit 7 money we will be doing addition and subtraction. Okay, so please take page number 82 of your workbook. Read the question number 7. Add the money. Add the money. That means there are two amounts of money given, 29 cents and 15 cents. You have to add and give the total. Suppose you are having 29 cents and your friend is having 15 cents. So how much do you have together? So that is when you add money. Okay. So addition means plus. You have to find the total. Add and find the total. It is similar to normal addition which we have done in first term. Adding two numbers you already know, right? That is what we are going to do. Okay. So first is 29 plus 15. 9 plus 5 how much? 14. So 4 you will write down and 1 you will write on the top because it is addition with regrouping. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4 again. So the answer is 44 cents. Now see this one. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5 you will write down and 1 you will write on the top. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, 35 cents. It is just normal addition with regrouping. Now see here 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 you will write here and 1 on the top. 1 plus 4 plus 5, 1 is 6. 64 cents. 6 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 you will write here. 6 in mind, 4 in fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 you will write here. 1 on top. So the answer is 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 90 cents. Now see this. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 you will write here and the other one you will write on the top. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. 51 cents. So the first row is over. Now let's move on to the second row. Here 3 plus 7 is 10. So 0 and 1 on the top. So 1 plus 4 plus 3. That is 8. Then 0 plus 9 is 9. Anything plus 0 is the same number. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is 79 cents. No regrouping here. Now see this. 1 plus 9 is 0. So 0 you will write down and 1 on the top. Then 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. 80 cents. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 in mind. 5 in fingers. 12. 2 you will write here and 1 on the top. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8 again. So answer is 82 cents. Then see this one. 29 cents plus 33 cents. So 9 plus 3 is 12 again. So 2 here and 1 on the top. Okay. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. 62 cents. Always you will write the units place down and the tens place, whatever number is coming, you will write on the top. You will carry over. See the third row, 3 plus 9. 9 in mind, 3 in fingers, 10, 11, 12. So units place 2 you will write down and 1, what is in tens place, you will carry over. You will write on top. Now add all the three numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 82 cents. Similarly, 4 plus 8, 34 cents plus 48 cents. 4 plus 8 is 12. Then here 1 plus 3 plus 8. So that is 82 cents. Next one, see 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3 you have to write down and 1 on the top. Carry over. 1 plus 2 is 5. 53 cents. Then 77 cents plus 14 cents. 7 plus 4 how much? 11. So 1 you have to write in the answer column and 1 on the top. You have to carry forward. So 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. 91 cents. See this one. 6 plus 4 is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 you will write down and 1 you will write on the top. Carry over. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 60 cents is the answer. So we have done these problems. The last row there are 5 sums. Yes, that you can do at home. The last row you finish at home. For all the whole page I will give you the answers. I will upload the worksheet in our website. You can refer that and check your answers, okay? So we have done all these problems now. You also complete this page. Last 5 you try to do yourself, because it's simple addition. You have to write the units at the end. That's it. So now move on to next page. Question number 8. Find how much is left. How much is left means we have to subtract. See, there are 4 things given here. Ball, water bottle 2 cents. This flower vase 8 cents. Then this bag is of 10 cents. So what we have to do is, if you are going to buy this in a shop, you have, see the first example, you are going to buy this water bottle, okay? Now you have 14 cents with you. And what is the cost or the price of this water bottle? It is 2 cents. So you have to give 2 cents to the shopkeeper to buy this. That means you are spending. You spend 2 cents. You have 14 cents. You spend 2 cents. So how much is left out? How much money you have left out? That is what we have to find. You have some money, you give some money to the shopkeeper, then how much you will have left out? So for that we have to minus 14 minus 2 cents. So first do 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3, 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Write 2 here. And then 1 we will write as such. And 12 cents. So how much is left out with you now? You have 12 cents left out. Come to the next picture. So you are going to buy this flower vase now. It is 8 cents. What is the cost of this? It is 8 cents. And how much you have? You have 12 cents with you, and you are going to give 8 cents to the shopkeeper. So write 8. You spend 8 cents. You spend 8 cents. Now you have to do 12 cents minus 8 cents. So have 12 in mind and 8 in your fingers and start counting. 11, 10, 9, 8. So 4. 4 is left out. Next. You have 16 cents and you are going to buy this ball. What is the cost of this ball? Just check. The cost of the ball is 4 cents. So you will write 4 cents. You have 16 cents. You are going to spend 4 cents. So 16 cents minus 4 cents. So 6 minus 4, how much? 2. 6 in mind, 4 in fingers. Before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 2 and 1 you have to write as such. So the answer is 12 cents. So now how much is left out with you? You have till 12 cents with you. Okay. Come to the next picture. This is the bag. You're going to buy this bag and you have 13 cents with you. So what is the cost of the bag? It is 10 cents. So 13 cents, from 13 cents you will give 10 cents. You are going to spend 10 cents. You spend 10 cents. Okay, how much will be left out with you after buying this bag, after giving 10 cents to the shopkeeper? How much will be left out? That we have to find out. See, 13 minus 10. 3 minus 0 is 3. Anything minus 0 is the same number. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 3 cents. So how much is left out with you? 3 cents. It's simple subtraction which we learned in our first term. Addition and subtraction you already know. That only we are doing with the money now. Okay. So complete the rest 4 you complete. So now let's move on to page number 84. Same question. How much is left out? But here the things are different. Here we have a car, lunch bag, an apple and a doll. So the price of each one is different. See, car is 6 cents. This is lunch box is 3 cents. Apple is 2 cents and the doll is 5 cents. So if you are going to buy these things, how much you will spend, you have to see. Okay. So first one you see, this toy car. You have 13 cents with you and you are going to spend how much? 6 cents to buy this car because the cost of the car is 6 cents. So you write 6 here, you spend 6. So 13 cents minus 6 cents is how much? 13 in mind, 6 in fingers. Count backward. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, 7 cents. You're going to have 7 cents with you. Then, next one, you are going to buy this doll. So, you already have 18 cents. How much you will spend? You will spend 5 cents because the cost of the doll is 5 cents. 5 cents. So, 18 minus 5. So, do 8 minus 5. How much is 8 minus 5? 3. And 1 you will write asset. So, 13. 18 minus 5 is 13 cents. Next, lunch box. You have 16 cents with you. The cost of the lunch box is 3 cents. So, you spend 3 cents. You give 3 cents and buy this lunch box. Okay. So, how much is left out with you? 16 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3 and 1 you have to write. So, how much is left out with you now? You have 13 cents. See this, what is the cost of this apple? It is 2 cents and you have 12 cents already and the cost of the apple is 2 cents. You spend 2 cents. So, how much is left out? What you have minus what you spend. Money you already have minus money you spend is what is left with you. So, 12 minus 2 is 10. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 you have to write down. So, 10 cents. What you have minus what you spend will give you what is left out with you. Reminder. Okay. So, we have done in page 84, we have done these 4 problems with these examples, these different pictures. Below this, there are 4 more problems. Okay. Another, there are 4 more pictures with a lunchbox and apples. Apples and a toy. You try to do that at home and you can check the answer when I upload the answer sheet in the website. Okay, this is simple subtraction only. You can do it by yourself. Try to do it. And don't forget to write the units when you are adding or subtracting money. Whenever you do addition or subtraction of money, you have to write how much it is. You can't just tell 10, 12. You have to tell it is 10 cents, 12 cents, like that. Then only we will understand that it is money. We don't know whether it is cents or dollars. So you always have to write the unit when you are adding and subtracting money. Okay, please complete these things and check the answer. With this, we complete the unit money. I will see you soon with the next unit. Bye-bye. Take care.